down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down, goes down.
Piano in the building.
Jingle bell,
You learn?
Yeah.
Say mama.
Mom.
Destiny, look over here. Touch the tree and look at me. Say cheese. Woo! Say Merry Christmas. Christmas. Stop opening up my gift, please. I'm glad I didn't open up the gift yet. It's your girl Britt, aka RockYourGlory. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching and coming through for your girl. Hey. So today we doing the Real Women of YouTube Secret Santa. My daughter messed up the place. Look at this. So she's here with me. We're wearing our matching pajamas. Hey! Okay, so we doing the Real Women of YouTube Secret Santa today, 2018. Doing an unboxing. So let's get to this unboxing for you guys today, okay? So I just put it inside this box because she brought it straight from Amazon. Just wanted to look a little cute or whatever, so I just put it in this box for you guys, okay? So she got me some lashes. Okay, girl. She got me some cozy socks, okay? Cozy socks, yes. And it's in this one. It's in this box right here. So I'm gonna open it for you guys. So this is the brand It Me, and she got me some brushes. Got me some brushes. Look at that. She got me some makeup brushes. I got what I wanted. I got what I needed. Say no. Thank you so much, girl, for giving me what I wanted on my list. Okay, I really didn't know what I want for Christmas, so I just picked out random stuff. But I just appreciate this. Thank you so much. You did an amazing job. You got it shipped on time. Thank you so much, girl. I'm gonna put your channel at the description box so they can holler at your channel, girl. Say thank you. So yes, this is mine. Make sure you check out the Real Women of YouTube. We have a Secret Santa every year, and also Real Women of YouTube. It's not just about Secret Santa. It is about supporting one another, loving on one another, and caring for one another. So that's what the Real Women of YouTube is about, okay? So next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Remember, rock your glory, Christ, wife, motherhood, natural hair, and deuces. Say bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Say hi.
No, I don't care.
You don't want to be on there? The tree. Okay. You touching the tree? Okay. Say smile.
Smile.
What a joyous day it is.